the sum of the first two natural numbers, each having the factor 15, including 1 and the number itself. Now we need to understand this thing that they are talking about first two natural numbers. It effectively means the smallest natural number that they are talking about. Now, if you have to look at the smallest possible numbers and you need to have the factor 15, if you try to visualize the number of factors of a given number, if the given number is a power p into b power q into c power r, so on and so forth, where a, b, c are prime numbers, then the number of factors is given by p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1, so on and so forth. Correct? Now you need the number of factors to be equals to 15. So how can you write 15 as a product of how many numbers? So one way to write this is 15 into 1. The second way to write it is 5 into 3. There's no other way to write it. Yes, I understand that you can say that it can be 5 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 1 any number of times. But in that case, r plus 1 will become equals to 1. That means r will be 0. That means all of these terms will become 1. So it does not make sense. So you have only two options. Either you have 15 can be written as 15 into 1 or 5 into 3. If you write it as 15 into 1, then the value of p plus 1 will be 15. So the value of p will be 14. So the number has to be of the format either a to the power of 14 or the number has to be of the format a to the power of 4 into b to the power of 2. Right? This will be my number. A to the power of 14 and I want the smallest number, then the smallest possible number in that format will become 2 power 14. And then next it will be 3 power 14, and then next it will be 5 power 14, then next will be 7 power 14, so on and so forth, right? But we need to figure out the smallest number. So let's see if this product gives me a smaller number or not. So you have a to the power of 4. So let me present 2 to the power of 4 into the next prime number, which is 3, trying to keep it very small. So 2 power 4 into 3 power 2. 2 power 4 is 16, 3 power 2 is 9, 16 into 9 is 144. That becomes my one of the numbers. The next thing that I can do is either I can increase one of the prime numbers and say I am including 5 and write it as 2 power 5 into 3 power 2, or what I can do is I can interchange 3 and 2 over here and try to check the value that 3 power 4 and 2 power 2 turns out to be how much, because this will also give me 15 factors. This will also give me 15 factors. So 2 power 4 is going to be 16. 3 power 2, sorry. This was 5 that I was trying to take. So 2 power 4 into 5 power 2 is going to be 25. So 16 into 25, 25 into 6 is 150, 25, 40, 400. So 400 will be the number. Look at this number. 3 power 4 is 81, 2 power 2 is 4, and this is going to be 4 and 324. Now, what are the two smallest numbers that we are looking at? 144 and 324. They're asking you the sum of these two numbers. So if you add these two numbers, it is going to be 468 as the answer for this particular question.